Hello friends, welcome to Shivani Tutorials. Today I will show you a Bollywood style hair bun. First of all, comb your hair and make sure that your hair are not frizzy. Tie your hair with a rubber band and make a ponytail. Not high one but little higher from your neck back. Divide your hair into two portions. Now, out of one portion, take some hair and start making braid from hair. Here we have a twist. Gently take few hair from this portion and add them into the side of your braid. As you can see that I am making braid also adding loose hairs. Once it is done, finish this with a very thin black color rubber band. Do the same thing with another portion. Now take both the braids and make braid till the end of your hair. Gently roll this braid inward side and tuck the edges into the ponytail rubber band. Carefully pick both the braids from their sides and tuck them on the center of the ponytail with the help of a hair clip. Make sure that the braids are properly tucked. As you can see how beautiful and stylish our bun is looking. So friends, don't forget to try this stylish hair bun and click the pictures and send it to me in comment box.
Let me show you a hairstyle with the help of handkerchief. Comb your hair and tie them with a rubber band. Make sure you tie them tightly and make a perfect pony. Now take a handkerchief and roll your hair in it. Simply roll your hair in handkerchief and carefully tie the handkerchief on rubber band. Now take the edges of the hair and merge them together with the help of hairpin. Make sure there are no open hair on the sides and all are secured with hairpin. Finish the bun look with the fancy hair clip. See how easily you can style your hair with a handkerchief. In this video, I am going to show you a very fancy and party hairstyle to make at home. First of all, comb your hairs and make a ponytail. Make sure that the ponytail is tight. Now, take donut rubber band or a heavy rubber band and place it like this at the edge of your hairs. Cover the entire rubber band with the open hairs. Reverse the hairs into the rubber band and keep rolling it. Make sure that you roll it gently, that the hairs doesn't come out. Once the entire hairs are rolled inside the rubber band, hold the hair like this and tuck the end portion of hair into the first rubber band, like this. Now, to secure the bun, use hairpins. Expand the open hairs and use hairpins. Make sure you place the hairpins at the right place so that the hair bun looks more prettier. Place the hairpins to the entire juda. If the juda is slightly tight, you can loosen some hair. As you can see, we have placed the juda pins to the entire hair. To give a fancy look to this juda, I am using pearl hair clips. Place one clip in the center. And then at every corner. Decorate the juda like a flower this way. To make the center of the juda more pretty, you can use some more pearl hair clips or pearl hair pins. See how pretty and fancy this juda is looking. Do try this fancy juda at home. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe the channel.